Have you ever wondered what the world would be like if India and Pakistan had never been partitioned? People often imagine a united cricket team, Sachin Tendulkar bowling alongside Shoaib Akhtar, Virat Kohli and Babar Azam batting side by side. Or they talk about music, the kind of musical revolution that could have emerged if artists from both sides had collaborated. But these are just surface-level ideas. What about the economy of a united India? Its politics, media, and international influence? Could partition have been prevented? And if so, how? But before we begin, I have a small request. This video took a lot of research, time, and heart to create. If you find this topic important, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your support truly encourages us to keep bringing thoughtful and meaningful content like this. Now, let's explore this through real history.
Independence after 200 years of British rule.
As a British barrister draws a line on a map, a once peaceful land implodes.
What followed was one of the largest and bloodiest forced migrations in history.
Would we actually have been better off if partition had not happened?
To understand what led to the partition, we must begin in 1857, with the First War of Independence, when Hindus and Muslims stood together against British rule. The British, shaken by this unity, responded with their infamous divide and rule policy. In the late 1880s, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan introduced the idea of two nations, laying early groundwork for division. Then came a series of major turning points. 1905, the partition of Bengal, stirring religious tensions. 1906, formation of the All India Muslim League. 1909 and 1919, the Morley-Minto and Montagu-Chelmsford reforms, which introduced separate electorates for Hindus and Muslims, further dividing the communities politically. In 1916, a rare moment of unity, the Lucknow Pact, where Tilak and Jinnah agreed to cooperate. But Congress's acceptance of communal electorates, something Mahatma Gandhi warned against, would eventually backfire. Meanwhile, extremist ideologies grew stronger on both sides. 1923 Savarkar writes, Essentials of Hindutva, defining Hindu identity as political. 1925. The RSS is founded, pushing the idea that Muslims and Christians were outsiders. 1933, the Now or Never pamphlet by Rahmat Ali proposes the idea of Pakistan. By 1940, both Jinnah and Savarkar openly endorsed the idea of two nations. And the British? They supported it. Leaders like Churchill and Viceroy Wavell saw partition as a way to protect Western interests against the Soviet Union and the growing socialist movements in India. If you're still watching this video, please give it a like. It really boosts our confidence. So, could partition have been stopped? Possibly. If leaders had rejected communal politics, if there had been no separate electorates, if unity was the top priority for both the Congress and the Muslim League. But trapped between foreign interests, rising extremism, and growing mistrust, partition became a tragic inevitability. When we imagine a united subcontinent today, it's not just about cricket or music. It's about the power of a shared destiny, a future that was never allowed to unfold. Eyes need no visas. Dreams have no borders. Let's keep this conversation alive. Not to change the past, but to learn from it and build a better, more united future. Now, here's a question for you. If India and Pakistan had stayed united, what do you think would have been the biggest change in our lives today? Drop your thoughts below. And if this video moved you, please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories that matter. Your support isn't just a click, it's a step toward a more connected, thoughtful world. Thank you for being part of this community.